interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Tarrant County until 5:30.
Inside the most music for your ride home right now.
Sponsored by Blue Star Plumbing. Just fine music. Number one for New Country, 96.3.
Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for southwestern Tarrant County until 5:30. A severe thunderstorm is located over Fort Worth, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. The storm indicating 60-mile-per-hour winds. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding